Hi, I'm Michael Dunn, creator of theoryofknowledge.net and an IB educator since 2001. This is the 7th in a series of 12 short videos for Theory of Knowledge teachers, each one offering practical ways to help you build a clear, engaging, and genuinely rewarding version of the course. In this video, I want to encourage you to do something that can transform the experience for both you and your students. Get everyone involved in TOK. The more you can spread TOK and its core aim of authentic critical thinking throughout your school, amongst learners, teachers, even parents, the more powerful it becomes. TOK works best when it's not confined to one subject or one classroom, but instead becomes part of your whole school culture. This begins with how you design your TOK course. If it feels complex and inaccessible, a series of abstract themes and unfamiliar frameworks, it's going to be hard to bring anyone else on board. Teachers are already under pressure and many fear TOK because it seems vague or overly philosophical and another onerous obligation to fulfill. So there's a real need to demystify it. That's why having a clear, single learning objective like fostering authentic critical thinking makes such a difference. It gives you and others a sense of direction, and it's why structuring the course around big questions rather than simply following the themes and areas of knowledge can be so effective. Big questions invite contribution from any subject. They don't confine TOK to history during the history unit or language during the languages unit. They create space for all teachers, from maths to music, to connect their subject knowledge to TOK ideas. And getting other teachers on board isn't as hard as it sounds. You just need to show that TOK isn't as convoluted as they might think, share the benefits of drawing on TOK thinkers and ideas and the 12 key concepts, and make it simple for them to integrate TOK into their lesson so that it doesn't involve extra work. That's exactly what we aim to support at theoryofknowledge.net. We offer two course structures, our classic TOK lessons built around the themes and AOKs if you do want to deliver it in an orthodox way, and our big question framework, which explores 5 major questions about knowledge. Each one of these is accessible to every subject teacher, and every month our unique TOK newsletter delivers 20 new mini lessons designed as much for non-TOK DP teachers as for the TOK specialists. So if you're looking to move from isolation to integration and discover what TOK can look like when the whole school is part of the conversation, come and join us. We look forward to you joining our worldwide community of authentic critical thinkers.